Welcome again to the Toy Technology Star, and here's the schematic diagram which I'm gonna make my own figure using the pipes. I found two bowls, strobe bowl. It says add the cosmic strobe bowl, hit the lights, and make any cool build. Awesome in the dark. Of course, I'm sure. Let's see. Wow, look at that. That's glowing. Very shiny compared to the other one. I think I have extra one of those also we'll be testing out. So about the pipes, I aligned them together just like that. Simply get each two pairs and align them like this. So we take each connector of those and use it to pair each aligned pipes together like that. I'm about to finish it. This is cool. Okay. So I made up this figure real quick for the sake of the video in order to make sure we test it out. I'm going to choose a car and test it out. Let's see. So I installed the batteries inside the remote control, and simply this gets charged by a power bank or a PC, and let's test it out. We open this door. I just figured out that here there is a door. Just in a moment. Here we go. This gets slide opened this way. Then we install the car and the ball. Simply just like that. And let's see the craziness. Woo! Check it. It got stuck